Join me as I dive into the Sony Xperia 17 and see if I can put it to the test and prove if it's really worth the upgrade. The Sony Xperia 17 is generating a lot of buzz in the tech world, and for good reason. This new device promises to bring some exciting features and improvements to the table, making it a potential game changer in the smartphone market. Fans of the brand have been eagerly waiting for this release, and I'm excited to see if it lives up to the hype. Previous Sony Xperia models have been great devices, but they've also had their fair share of issues. One of the main complaints was the battery life, which was often criticized for being underwhelming. Many users also felt that the cameras didn't quite live up to their expectations, especially in low light conditions. Additionally, some users found the software to be a bit cluttered and slow. These issues made some people hesitant to upgrade to newer models, and I'm curious to see if the Xperia 17 addresses these concerns. The Xperia 17 comes with some impressive specs, including a large AMOLED display, a powerful processor, and up to 12 GB of RAM. It also boasts a quad-camera setup with advanced features like optical zoom and portrait mode. But what really catches my eye is the new battery technology, which promises to offer significantly longer battery life. With these upgrades, the Xperia 17 seems to be shaping up as a strong contender in the flagship market. So, what really sets the Xperia 17 apart from its competitors and previous models? For me, it's the innovative camera system, which includes a new periscope lens that allows for incredible zoom capabilities. This feature is a major upgrade over previous models and puts the Xperia 17 on par with some of the best camera phones on the market. The image quality is superb, and I'm loving the new features like advanced portrait mode and enhanced low-light performance. The software also plays a big role in this, with AI-powered enhancements that help you get the best shot every time. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 17 seems to have addressed many of the concerns that users had with previous models. The new features and improvements make it a compelling upgrade option for fans of the brand. Whether you're looking for a better camera, longer battery life, or just a more seamless user experience, the Xperia 17 seems to have it all. If you're as excited about the Xperia 17 as I am, or if you have some reservations, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this new device. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech insights and hands-on reviews.